Imagine a drone that doesn't just fly, but proves everything it does. Sounds futuristic, right? Student engineers at the University of Southampton just made it real. They built the world's first blockchain black box for drones. Every movement, every sensor reading is recorded in real time on a secure blockchain. No one can tamper with the data, it's fully trustworthy. The magic happens inside the drone itself. By running blockchain directly onto a tiny chip, the system is 500 times faster and 10,000 times more energy efficient. Even in flight, with vibrations and limited power, it works perfectly. This technology isn't just for drones. Autonomous car, industrial robots, and energy systems can all prove what they do. It's the future of trust in AI and machines. With this world's first achievement, student engineers show that intelligent machines can not only act but also prove what they do. The era of truly accountable AI is here.